In this video, I'll show you how to quickly convert a PNG image to a JPEG format on a Mac. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It helps more people discover this video. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps in this super simple process. Let's dive in. I've got a PNG image saved on my desktop that I want to convert to a JPEG. This process works for any PNG file, whether it's a screenshot, a graphic, or any other type of image. Converting to JPEG is often useful because JPEG files are smaller and compatible with more platforms. To start, locate your PNG image. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Preview from the options. This will open your image in Preview, a built-in macOS app that's perfect for this task. Once the image is open in Preview, go to the top menu bar and click File, then select Export from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Format. Click on it and select JPEG. You can adjust the quality slider below to set the compression level. Higher quality means better image resolution, but a larger file size. Adjust it based on your needs. Next, choose where to save the converted file. You can stick with the current folder or pick another location, such as your desktop. Finally, click Save, and the conversion will be completed. To verify, navigate to the location you chose and check for the newly saved JPEG file. You can rename it by clicking on it once, pressing Return, typing a new name, and pressing Return again. And that's it. Converting a PNG to a JPEG on Mac is that straightforward, thanks to the built-in Preview app. If this guide helped you, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next video.